Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are representative from Krida Nusantara Senior High School participating of the Lomba Peneliti Belia Nasional 2022 with me Agatha Aflaf Kavianwar and my college
Muhammad Farel Putra Pertama Rahman.
In this time, we made a prototype of landslide detector.
Our school, SMAT Krida Nusantara, is located right at the foot of Mount Manglayang. Judging from the topographic map of the area, namely the Cibiru sub-district of SMAT Krida Nusantara surrounded by hills and cliffs, this has the potential to trigger landslides.
Therefore, to overcome the occurrence of landslide, the two of us took the initiative to make a landslide detection prototype, which is of course simple and efficient. This prototype only used two types of sensor, namely ultrasonic sensor and vibrator sensor. So here is the prototype of the landslide detector that we made. The main components used are two ultrasonic sensor, one vibrator sensor, Arduino Uno, a buzzer, and an LCD. The way this prototype works is that first one of the ultrasonic sensor is installed facing the cliff and the other facing down. Why? Because cold is an ultrasonic sensor one. This sensor is useful for capturing soil movement. Then ultrasonic sensor 2 is useful for detecting soil buildup marked by change in altitude.
Seen in the first experiment, the ultrasonic sensor 1 measured the distance to the cliff as far as 33 cm, which indicates that the ground is not moving. Because at a distance 33 cm, it is still in normal condition, according to this design we made. So thus, the ultrasonic sensor 2, the sensor measures the height of the soil on the surface as far as 19 cm, which indicates that there is no accumulation of soil on the surface. Then, the vibrator sensor does not detect ground vibration, which causes the LCD to issue a safe status. The buzzer does not sound and the LED lights up blue. Let's compare the fourth experiment. This is very different from the first experiment. In the fourth experiment, the ultrasonic sensor 1 measured the distance to the cliff as far as 26 cm, which indicates that there was ground movement because the distance was less than 33 cm. And so did the ultrasonic sensor 2. The sensor measured the distance to the ground in the surface of 12 cm, which indicates a buildup of soil on the surface. Then, the vibrator sensor also detects the presence of ground vibration. So, all the information collected produce output on the LCD in the form of category status 2. The buzzer sounds loud and the LED lights up red.
From our research this time, we draw conclusion. First, making a simple landslide detection prototype use only two sensors, namely an ultrasonic sensor and a vibrator sensor. Assisted by Arduino Uno as the brand of the prototype, LED, buzzer, and LCD as the output. Second, the way this prototype works is that the Arduino Uno will detect and process the data provided by the ultrasonic sensor and vibrator sensor, which will be issued via the LED, buzzer, and LCD according to the category we have made. On the prototype that we made specifically for use in our school environment and condition, namely Krida Nusantara Senior High School. But it is undeniable that this tool can be developed to be more effective and efficient, and can be used outside our school environment. The tool that we make output only use a buzzer, but the output can be expanded by adding an RF sensor or radio frequency sensor to increase to hazard warning point. There are the before and after if we use IoT. That's all for our presentation.
Thank you for thoroughly watching and listening to our presentation.
We hope that information we give to you is useful for your future, and thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.